Today we have a new orphan that is well known to us. A 1986 AC Mark IV, one of the last carbureted cars. AC has evolved over the years from the 289, the Mark III, this Mark IV, the 427 street cars, the 427 SCs. All aluminum, ease of maintenance, as much fun as you could ever want to have. Let's take it for a quick run. Okay, well, we're getting away from these cold starts because after we do a cold start, we never really do a hot start. So we're just going to assume that it does everything right if it's coming through Autosport until the AC gods, come upon you and say otherwise. So let's fire it up and go for a ride. I have logged a hell of a lot of miles in this particular car. Done a couple of road trips to Philadelphia and back. I have sat in traffic with it. We've serviced it. She's been good to everyone who's owned it. She spent some time in Texas for a while before coming to the East Coast. It's recently been traded back in a multi-car trade. And nothing better than to sell automobiles we know very well and have sold and serviced before. See, there's a new cousin, a Mustang GT. So we can get on it and go do our flybys, go through the gears, turn the heater on. All right, well, the local route so we can go through town a little bit. Howdy ho! Here we go again with his speaking. I just don't know why. Why? How about this? A Cobra with a radio. Okay, a Cobra without a radio. So the cool thing is, it is all aluminum bodied. It's got plenty of power. It is not as fragile as a lot of the Cobra replicas. It is an actual AC, and there is an AC Cobra registry. They are also in the regular Shelby registry. You'd be amazed once you actually get in. It's actually really comfortable. And look. Up. A very little glove box. Open the door. Close the door. The heater works really well, so that's nice. Sounds great. We'll get on it a little bit here because it wouldn't be right not to get on a Cobra and show a little bit of muscle. Let's go. Cruises. She enjoys the twisties with the best of them. And then you have fifth gear, which is cruising. But first, we're going to jettison Jason so that we can do our flybys. hope you enjoyed the flybys. We have gone through the twisties a little bit harder earlier, so now we're just going to cruise a little bit. These are exceptionally neat cars because they have the look of a 427 wide hip aluminum Cobra, underside exhaust so you don't burn yourself when you get in and out. You don't smell like fuel, but it's more tractable than a 427 will ever be on the road. And as you can see, it's now clicking over at 1600 RPM at 60 miles per hour. Down to third, and she's a joy. I've always really loved these AC Mark IVs. You know, some better than others. Excuse me, a little bit more hot rodded than others. I think I went down the wrong pipe. Okay, we're good here.
Are you okay?
Oh, swell. Okay. You know, if it were a time of year where there was pollen in the air, I'm sure our arborist over here would have told us. So you got second, third, fourth. Really, fifth is like an overdrive. And as you can see, you cruise all day long. And when you want to go fast, down to third, second, let's get on it. Plenty of grunt. And then cruising. I think it's a huge amount of fun for the money. These ACs have stood their ground as far as values. If anything, we see them creeping up, and they should. Especially given their earlier brothers and sisters being, $1 million plus cars. So here you have it. Nice British Racing Green AC Mark IV for the taking. And we look forward to any questions you may have. I hope you've enjoyed this rather chilly road test. See ya.